Read reviews that most people are talking about. ANCEL MT700, Motorcycle Diagnostic Tool. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. For Asia, American, European motorcycles. Unlike most scanners on the market that are mainly for BMW, ANCEL MT700 motorcycle diagnostic tool is specifically designed for owners who own different motorcycles, including Aprilia, Benelli, BMW, BRP, Ducati, Harley-Davidson, Honda, Indian, Kawasaki, KTM, Piaggio, Polaris, Suzuki, Triumph, Victory, Yamaha and more. It covers a wide range of bikes, including scooters, side-by-side motorcycles, snowmobiles, and ATVs. Motorcycle full system scan and 35 plus advanced functions. Enable you check all electric controlled modules. Read and clear codes, service lamp reset, CO adjustment, idle speed adjustment, A/F value reset, display data stream and do active tests for engine, TPMS, suspensions, ignition, EPS. Traction control, radio, service system, meter system, and others. You are allowed to perform a complete and deep detection for your motorcycles, rather than send it directly to repair shop, very suitable for dieers. ABS bleed function. ANCEL MT700 features an ABS bleed function that enables you to perform ABS bleed for BMW, KTM, Triumph, Benelli, and Polaris motorcycles. When air gets into the ABS system, it is important to bleed the brake system to achieve a firm brake pad. The ABS bleed function helps you remove air from the internal brake fluid chambers after servicing the brakes, ensuring that your motorcycle's braking system is working effectively and safely. Oil lamp reset service. When the motorcycle reaches a certain mileage, to remind the user to perform maintenance, an indicator light with a certain icon will be displayed on the motorcycle's dashboard. After the vehicle's maintenance is completed, the maintenance light will not go off automatically, but it needs a certain method to clear it, which is resetting the oil light. MT700 scan tool can reset your oil service to complete this important maintenance and save you a trip to the dealer. Live data display. ANCEL MT700 has the ability to communicate with the control modules in a safe and controlled way. It can comprehensively diagnose your motorcycle's data and display data streams. Engine coolant temperature, vehicle speed, intake air temperature, engine speed, throttle position, injection duration, ignition timing, throttle sensor voltage and more. Thanks to the stable Android system and 7-inch touch screen, it is responsive and can diagnose the motorcycle in minutes. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.